We are always looking to innovate and to keep up with the industry. We have a new steel edge model. It's an 8 and 10 footer for skid steers. It's a full steel trip, and so you're getting that as well. Full weld-on construction, very robust. Again, we like to keep things very simple. Not a lot of moving parts. Again, when it comes to the connection on that, universal skid steer mount, we also have additional mounting options when it comes to the couplers, depending on the machine. We always want to make sure we ask them those questions up front, so make sure that when you get it, we can have it easily hooked up. The rubber edge is going to be really good in that wet, slushy area where it's really squeegeeing all that and scraping that nasty snow up. The steel edge is going to be a little bit more preferred when it comes to the hard packed areas that have a lot of ice, things like that, where the rubber edge can't get it as well. What we like to do is kind of talk to the customer or the dealer and see where they're located, and we're there to make sure that we obviously help them and steer them in the right direction. We want to make sure that they're getting the best possible outcome every single time. We definitely have all that intel and knowledge, and we have a lot of dealers across the United States, all the way over as far as Utah, and we're in Rochester, New York. So, all vast across the United States, everyone's getting different snowfall, lake effect, whatever it may be. We have the right solution for them one way or another. And now we have something in the 8 and 10 foot skid steer model for steel edge that is a lot more economically priced.